Welcome back to another episode of All American Lad. Today, I'm going to be showing you my fire kit for survivalers whenever I need to go start a fire. Got an Altoids tin, and it's got rubber bands on it, just so stuff doesn't fall out. And open it up. First thing, you're just going to have a normal Bic lighter. Then you're going to want to have a small pocket knife or like a multi-tool or something you can fit in the Altoids tin, but you can process material with it. And then you're also going to want to have a ferro rod. This is an old one I've had for a while. Works pretty good. And then when I use a ferro rod, I like to use something called char cloth. And it's when you charcoalize cotton or like a t-shirt or something. And then I've also got some baling twine, and this will catch a spark from the ferro rod also pretty well. Thanks for watching All American Lad. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out my Instagram page at All American Lad. I'll be posting, telling you when videos come out. Thanks for watching. Bye.